Well, 10th standard, JC's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. Dear students, 10th group, let's start today our new lesson, Unit 5, Prose, the concept, which is written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Before going to start the lesson, students 10th group, be serious with your stationery materials. One simple pencil will be in your hand for reading purpose. Open your textbook, Unit 5, page 85. And after all the attachment papers should be ready. Sit with the attachment notes and your notebook. Before going to start the lesson, just follow the board work. So it is Unit 5 Prose, the concept, Shanta Rameshwar Rao, 27/11/20. 10th standard. The concept of the lesson is music. Learning points obviously today. Music is the source of imagination. All imagination, power of hope, wish, whatever it is. You will see music always inspires us. It gives us life. It cheers with us. It gives us happiness. It's an excellent story written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. The whole story deals with a simple school child, one boy child, and he is suffering from cancer. So from the very beginning of the lesson, I will teach you the lesson paragraph wise. Explanation will be paragraph wise. You will mark important words and the sentences. Obviously, all the page wise, you will see the word meanings, glossaries, and about the author, that is Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Please turn over that one, your page number. It is page number 104. 104. 104 page number. About the author, Shanta Rameshwar Rao. She was born in 1924. She is an Indian writer of myths, legends, folktales, short stories, and picture books for the children. She has retold tales from Indian architecture, scriptures, and rewarded folktales and myths from little known tribal communities. Tales of India, ancient India, then how the shark got its long necks. These are things she has composed. Worship Shiva. Why snakes have forked tongue. That one also. Children's Mahabharata. These all things, different scripture based on Hindu mythologies, legend, etc. She has written and composed. In some of the stories, what Shanta has written, there you will get the pictures, characters, importance of some action, have some demons, gods, humans also as characters. These all things. This is the character of Shanta Rameshwar Rao, who is fond of writing from her imagination power different type of topics. One of them is The Concept by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Please get ready. 10th group, open your book, page number 85. Can you identify the person in this picture from your textbook? Can you identify the person from your textbook? He is none but Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Look at the picture closely. How does it strike you? really we have some vibration whenever we think about Bhimsen Joshi, Lata Mangeshkar and so many other great musical personalities. Music is God's gift to man, the only art of heaven given to earth, the only art of earth we take to heaven. Walter Savage Landon. Let's start our lesson, the concept, with this great speech of, great quote of Walter Savage Landon. Music is God's gift to man, the only art of heaven given to earth, the only art of earth we take to heaven. This is how Walter Savage Landon describes the gift of music to humankind. Now you may have your own way of looking at music. So music is a source of imagination. Now you can fill the bubbles in different way. What I have done, it's not important that you have also to do in that way, that manner. I have done something and that is my creativity skill. I want to see that students, you should have your another different creativity skills like music. Music gives us love, tells a story, gives life, cheers. So many memories are entangled with the music, passion, soul, happiness, inspires, music encourages, music inspires, music gives imagination power, music helps to dance, music gives pleasure, all these things. So, page number 86, please turn over. In page number 86, you will see, compare the poem you have written with this poem. Now, one poem is given here, that is your reading task. You will get it in attachment also. It is your reading test. So, obviously, this is your reading activity. You will do it nicely. I am telling you, 10th group, each and every student, you will work on this topic. It is a simple poem based on music. I hear the music. Music is love. Music is life. Music can tell a story. Music cheers, but also brings memories. What's so special about music? When I listen to music, it takes me to another world. Music is my passion. Music soothes the soul. Music can take away the pain. Our life is music. Music inspires me. Music flows through me. Do you hear it? Come dance with me tonight. The Concept by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Every page wise down you will see the word meanings and you will read all the word meanings. Then you will read the paragraph. Page 86. Pandit Ravi Shankar, an Indian musician, composer and a sitar player, excited, feeling or showing happiness and enthusiasm. The story started this way. One morning, in a small apartment in Bombay, that is Mumbai, a girl of about 16 looked up from the newspaper and said excitedly, with lots of happiness and excitement, what she told: Pandit Ravi Shankar's playing tomorrow at the Shanmukhananda Auditorium. So Pandit Ravi Shankar, the great sitarist around the world, He is going to play sitar. That program will be tomorrow in Shanmukhananda Auditorium. Page 87. Please turn and seriously read the matter. Shah, said her mother, pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. Now one person is sleeping on the bed. So pointing towards that bed and the human being who is sleeping, taking rest. Mother pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. You will wake him up. Don't loudly speaking this way about Pandit Ravi Shankar's musical concert. You will make him up. He will wake up. No, it should not be. You know he needs all the sleep and rest he can get. But the boy on the bed was not asleep. He was not asleep. He was listening. He is not feeling well. That's why he was taking rest, but he was listening. Pandit Ravi Shankar, he said, Pandit Ravi Shankar, the sitar master, he raised himself up on his elbows for 1 second, then fell back. He won't be able to rise up, sleeping and talking. But he, at a fraction, just in a fraction of a second, he wanted to pull out his body and wanted to sit on the bed, but fell down. But his eyes were shining. We must not miss the chance, he said. I have always wanted to hear him and see him. It's a passion. He is a great musical lover, the great character in this story. Read this much, shortly coming back with the continuation of this lesson. Thank you very much.